Hi there guys, very warmest of welcomes. It's Simon at DM Keith Suzuki. I'm still over at Ashton Line, OL6 filming. Just got another one of these gorgeous Swifts. Now this is a, I think July registered 2024 new style Swift. It is the Motion and it's finished in pearl pure white. If you can just get the camera in on the paint, it's just immaculate is this thing. Absolute stunner. I'm driving the exact same model, my new demonstrator car, and it's just brilliant. I'm getting 60 to the gallon out, but it's self-charging mild hybrid. It just captures a bit of freewheel energy, you know, and just uses it to drive a little electric motor along. You don't plug it in or anything, it just incredible. Reverse parking sensors, groovy colour camera, really good on a night I found as well, incredible. It must have some infrared into it. Every single alloy wheel is just perfect, every body panel, every seat. Keyless access, so there's one on the driver, passenger and tailgate. That enables you to just leave your keys in your pocket. And in the rear, in the side mirrors there is rear vehicle blind spot detection. So if they're sort of hanging around behind you and you're not sure if they're going to overtake or not, if they're left or right of you, it'll just alert you by lighting up that wing mirror. So if you go to indicate over, it'll flash at you. Behind the beam, behind the panel on the front there is a beam that's sent down the road, making sure you're keeping a safe distance from the vehicle in front, and will alert you if you were, you know, potentially closing into somebody too quick, or they'd maybe brake too hard. It tends to be when the motorway traffic snarls up. Fabulous inside, absolutely fabulous, and I mean split mint, not a smell, not a whiffy odour, no fags of pets going bouncing around in here. The seats in these cars are astounding. It's a testament to Suzuki. I spend about 4 or 5 hours a day in my car today, probably about 8 hours when I'm done. And they are heated as well, which gives you great, you know, joy on a cold morning having those on, and you think, oh, this is good. Geometric sort of dashboard styling now, a little bit more interest, and then we've got this fantastic big navigation system. Now this is basic model. This is supposedly there's the Ultra and there's the Motion. This is the Motion. It's wireless for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, guys. Got a reversing camera, obviously, full nav, all the lot, controls for heating beneath that, and then below that there's absolutely stacks of connectivity, things like USB, micro. And then we've got adaptive cruise control and lane departure. Lane departure is really good. It just lets you know if you get a bit tired and you start moving across lanes without indicating. 6,046 miles. Start stop obviously continues, so you've got the keys still in your pocket. Press the little button on there and away you go. But yeah, still have a stack of warranty. I'll have warranty until about July 2027, and then with Suzuki's now you can trigger additional years of warranty year on year by simply having it serviced at your main Suzuki dealer. So you come down here in 12 months time, we'll give you another year of warranty and roadside assistance, and onwards and onwards and onwards, right the way through till about middle of 2031, where there'll be no petrol left and we'll all be walking everywhere anyway. But well, hope not. I'm going to put a link in the description box for the car. Oh, it's Ashton, there's always somebody going on with alarms. I'll put a link into the description box, and that will enable you to click onto it. Then you can drop down, because I've put some red ones on, a yellow one or two, a grey one and a silver one today, and you could actually move those between our 4 sites: Keighley, Huddersfield, Bradford, or Ashton-under-Lyne OL6, and you can come and have a test drive here at your leisure. Now if you want to have a test drive, bring your driving licence please on the day, guys, and make a note of national insurance number. We need it to insure you. We don't really want to send you home, do we? Whatever you're doing, have a fabulous day. We look forward to seeing you soon, hearing from you maybe. Take care, guys, drive safely as always, and all of the best.